Take a ride in the 2007 Torrent. An authoritative crossover that combines SUV capability with excellent ride and handling, the Pontiac Torrent offers urban sophistication with standard V6 power 5-speed automatic transmission, sport-tuned suspension, and an interior fit for a premium sports sedan, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, power driver's seat, traction control, remote engine start, air conditioning, driver airbag, cruise control, rear defroster, AM/FM stereo radio, 6 CD changer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.